Your dishwasher might look a little different than this one, but don't worry, the tips may still apply, so feel free to give them a try. Smelly dishwasher? No worries. Here are some easy ways to fix the funk. Dirty dishes left in the dishwasher too long could be the culprit. Maybe the interior of your dishwasher has gotten dirty. If so, wipe the inside of the tub and remove food residue. Check that the dishwasher is draining. If not, the glass trap or filter, in some models, might need to be cleaned to ensure it's free of debris. Lastly, give the dishwasher a washing. You can either add detergent to the dispenser or pour a cup of white vinegar directly into the tub. Then, run the empty dishwasher using the Power Plus or Heavy cycle with sanitize option. That should do it. Now you know how to fix a smelly dishwasher. You've got this.